Okay, let's do this again. Another voiceover. Go to vercel.com. This is where we will publish our front end. I already have an account in Vercel. You can use your GitHub account to log in Vercel. That's why it has access to my repos. And as you can see here, there's a to-do front end. It detects that it is built using Next.js. And fun fact, Next.js is built and maintained by Vercel. So I'm just gonna import this. It detects that a framework preset is Next.js. And then this one, the build command, I don't think I have any settings that I need to touch. But for the environment variables, if you remember, on our front end code, we have this API base URL on our api.ts file. And this will come from an environment variable. The process.env.next public API URL is from an environment variable. We don't have an environment variable here. If it does not have an environment variable, or if it does not have that variable, it will use the local host. So we don't need to touch anything on this code. We just need to define the next public API URL. And then I'm gonna copy the link that we have from the previous episode, our backend link. That is now gonna be the base URL. And we're just gonna hit deploy. I remember we had a couple of errors in this deployment process. So let me see if I remember the errors. So I fast forwarded the video, and it says here that the error is npm run. Okay, Axios. Okay, I remember this one. I haven't pushed the latest version of my code, so it does not have the Axios yet. My GitHub, my latest master branch, does not have the Axios yet. So what I did here, I just pushed my changes, and then I believe I fixed this error right here. Then I tried to deploy again. So this is very common when you deploy your code, since you are just building locally, and when you deploy it, you bring it to production, it has a lot of errors. And I also remember that I had another error right here. So this is a TypeScript, a specific error. So what I did here, I changed this part of the code here. So error is now of type unknown. So in this set error right here, it will check for the type of error. It will only check the type of the ERR or the error inside here. TypeScript is very strict regarding types. So I changed the try catch finally. I think I changed 4 of those, each for each CRUD operations. So I am now trying to redeploy my front end code, and I don't know if I have any errors. I don't. So it deployed successfully. So it is now available to the public. You can share it to your friends, and it is using the actual backend from the previous episode. So at this part, I'm just so dumb, you know. I am viewing the site using the dark mode theme, since it is the default theme on my Opera browser. And as you can see here, I've successfully created a to-do. I believe I yapped for a couple of minutes here. I don't remember what I said. This part, I was trying to motivate you all, and I think I remember the gist. It was about, if you want to learn anything, in this case programming or web dev, you need to show up every day. You need to just start and believe in learning by doing. So just try and try different technologies. Set a strict schedule every day and tell yourself that this given time is the time that I need to focus. So allocate a focus time. We have 24 hours a day. Surely you can spare 2 to 3 hours of your day to learn something new. But yeah, guys, I think that's all there is to it. Make sure to flex it to your friends and add a touch of uniqueness to the site. So change the site a bit and then show me what you made. Thank you guys. That's it. Bye bye.